Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Pakistan AutoTechnics. In today's episode, we're back with the Toyota Land Cruiser KZJ78 1994 model, which came in for a complete chassis restoration and anti-rust treatment. Today's work is one of the most satisfying parts of the whole process, painting the chassis in black. The surface was already cleaned and prepped in our earlier sessions, so now it's time to give this Land Cruiser's frame a brand new look. The goal here isn't just about looks, it's about protection. This paint job will help shield the chassis from rust, moisture, and road grime for years to come. Before we started painting, we carefully mixed the black chassis paint with durable, industrial-grade formula designed to resist oil, heat, and debris. Pressure in the spray gun. Once the mix was perfect, we filled up the gun and got ready to spray. Now comes the best part of painting. Using smooth, even passes, we began coating the entire chassis with the rich black paint. Each layer adds strength and durability, sealing every joint, weld, and metal surface. We made sure to reach all the tight corners and hidden areas because that's where rust usually starts. You can really see the transformation as the polyurethane paint lays down evenly, turning the old, dull metal into a clean, solid, and fresh-looking frame. Through the time-lapse, you can see the process from start to finish, every stroke, every layer, slowly bringing this Land Cruiser's chassis back to life. The PU coat gives it that strong factory-style finish, ready to face many more years on and off the road. After covering all sides, we let the paint flash off before applying the final coat for a smooth, even finish. The result, a deep black, glossy chassis that looks amazing and, more importantly, is fully protected against rust and harsh conditions. And that wraps up today's progress on the Toyota Land Cruiser KZJ78. The chassis is now freshly painted, strong, and ready for the next steps of the restoration. In the coming episodes, we'll move on to refitting parts and getting this Land Cruiser ready to roll again. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Pakistan AutoTechnics for more real workshop content, step-by-step restorations, and automotive projects from right here in Pakistan. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Hafiz.